Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen the namespace concept in the TypeScript, right? So that one is the default things which is supported in the TypeScript, and that has some problems in that one. Why? Because means the problems is if you don't import if you don't add the reference thing also, it will be automatically added. It will not show any errors here. Okay, sometimes it will show errors, sometimes it will not show errors. So these type of things will be there. So this is not that much of recommended thing while writing the code. So that is the reason we will be using ES6 module concept. So that ES6 module concept is also supported in the TypeScript. That importing thing, it will show you all the errors. If you don't import anything, means in the ES6 modules it has a nice concept that it will show you the error. So it will ask you to import that one, so that we can find every concept. You can find any bugs or anything. So if you forgot to import or anything, you will be able to find the errors. Now we will see this one. We will convert it into the ES6 modules. So in order to convert it into the ES6 modules, what I need to do is I'll take that name. I will remove this namespace app. Okay, I will completely remove this namespace app. Okay, now what I will do is in the ipost.ts also I will remove this namespace app. Okay, now I have removed this namespace app. So now we can keep this export concept like this only. Why? Because in ES6 we have the concept of export. Now I will go to app.ts. Here what I will try to do is, now we will be having the compiled file. So as it is, it will be compiled. Now what I will try to do is import. I will try to import from ipost.js. So I will import that. What is the thing I need to import? A post. Why? Because we are using post, right? So I will import the post instead of. So now I have imported the post. So this is the thing how we can import. Now I can remove this one. So I imported the file, whichever is needed. I imported the file. Now what I will try, no errors is there. Now I will try to execute the code. If I try to execute the code here, I am able to get the output that define is not defined. That means in the bundle it is showing that define is not defined. That means in the ts configuration.json, now we don't have the concept of out file and all those things. And here we need to change the module concept also. Previously we are using the AMD concept, right? Now we are using imports concept. So imports concept means we should use the ES 2015. Okay, so ES6 concept. So I will paste this ES 2015 and I'll compile the files, and here I can remove this bundle thing and I can use directly app.js. Here I can use this app.js. Now I can use this git/app.js. Now I will try to check the output. If I try to check the output here, if it refreshes the code, it is saying that cannot use import statement outside a module. So the same type of concept we have seen in the, what we can say, in the ES6 course also we have seen the same thing in the modules concept. ES6 modules concept we have seen that. So one thing what we have to do is it has to be converted into the, instead of text, it is a modules concept we are using, right? We need to convert it into the module. Okay, now I will try to check the output. If I try to check the output, now if I refresh, now I am able to get the output. So this is the how we can use the TypeScript. We can use the import concept in the TypeScript. Okay, this is how we can use the both the types of imports thing using the namespace and also using the types ES6 modules in import and export concepts. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.